Well, greetings, subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome everyone on the internet looking at Nugget Ice Makers. This is the GE Opal 2 Nugget Ice Maker, and as the title states, this is my third unit in the last 36 months. So, just cut to the chase. The very first unit I had, the pump actually went bad at about 12 months, 11, 12 months, and it basically stopped pumping water from this bottom tank up to the top tank where the ice maker is. So I contacted GE. It was still under warranty, factory warranty, and very simple process. They just shipped me out a brand new one. Didn't have the side tank or anything, but I just kept that, replaced it out with this particular unit, and this one has been fine for, again, about 12 months, and now the pump is working fine, but it's not making any ice. So I'm not sure where the issue is. Now, I got this off Amazon originally with the 3-year extended warranty. So after they replaced this unit out, they said, yeah, that's fine. Now you're still covered. I've kind of gone round and round with Azuron. They won't send a new unit, just ship it out. They're trying to get a repair person here to fix it, which I don't know what they're going to do. So, yeah, I took advantage of Black Friday and Cyber Monday and just picked up another one. So, reason I did that was these were about half the price of what this unit was. And honestly, they're only going to last about 12 months. Like I said, pump problem. A lot of other people have had issues with that ice maker. And in my area, I am really having an issue with hard water. So I think GE is finally kind of caught on. And this particular, the new unit, they actually included their little Opal citrus acid descaler. So you're supposed to run one of these packs, and you can pick these up. I think they're like $20 for a 6-pack. So that's something that I can use now. And also, they included an actual filter. So anybody that's familiar with these particular units, let me just open up like this old one and kind of show you where these filters are, and actually show you the old filter. So inside they just have one of these little screen filters, and that is actually located down here, and you can see the hard water problem. So this little screen just fits down here in this area. Doesn't really do a lot for filtration on the water itself. However, I only fill this with active carbon filtration and or metal reduction water that comes from the filter on my refrigerator and the ice maker there. So that's all that goes into this unit and also the side tank. And so now they are including these little filters, which they kind of retrofitted those to drop down in here into this little valley. And again, this one is only just a water filter, so it's not really doing anything about the hard water or descaling anything. So I also picked up these ridiculously expensive things. These are their new profile descaler filters, and those are blue. They're like $99 a 4-pack, and it's the same thing. They drop in to that same spot. They actually fit down here and kind of go into that little spot there. And yeah, and you can change them out every 3 months. I don't know if it's going to be any better or not, but we'll give it a try. So as it is right now, this unit is under warranty, extended warranty, the 3-year. That goes out in like I think it was March or April of 2026. So I've got to call in. We'll see if a repair person comes and picks it up. I'm just basically going to have it boxed up and ready to go. And Yeah, I'm not too really heartbroken over it because one of the things I wanted to do a while back was order another one of these little side tanks because I was gonna put it on this side of the unit, put a little T-splitter on the back, and that way I'd end up having 2 gallons, and I wouldn't have to fill this thing up, quite as often. But we'll see how that ends up going. Like I said, I'm now using metal reduction filters on my refrigerator, my LG. I now have these additional filters installed, and I can show you what that looks like. Um, that's what a brand new clean unit looks like, and that's where that filter goes in. So kind of takes place of that screen, and we'll see what it does. You can definitely tell on hard water right away. Like I said, you get either this or just again, look at the inside of this bucket or there. In this, I have followed religiously the cleaning kind of regimen on this thing, and just I'm in a very hard water area, and yeah, it doesn't really do anything. And again, I've followed what GE's recommendation was, and that's 3 units in 36 months. I'll try this fix and see if it's any better. I do not really want to go to distilled water or something that's going to affect the taste. But I've got a GE refrigerator with 2 ice makers on it. It's got the ball ice plus regular ice, and it just can't keep up. We use way too much, so this thing has been fantastic. I mean, other than these little problems, there there is nothing better than this Nugget Ice. I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. Kudos to them for making a great unit, as far as the ice is concerned. But just these other problems are a little bit irritating. So anyway, so it's hard to say if I give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down. We're just going to keep using this unit. Hopefully they will either replace or repair this unit, and I'm just going to leave it boxed up and just wait another 12 months for this to die. Hopefully not. I mean, fingers crossed. We'll take it from there. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.